Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our series on English words, today I'll concentrate on 4 words: remember, reach, road, rule. So let's start with the first word, remember. Remember to, remember that. Easy to remember. Remember to turn off the light before you leave the room. You can remember the past or forget about the past. So it's better that we forget about the past and just move ahead. Each time I see this picture, I remember my parents. I remember the time that we went to the beach. I remember exactly what they said. Memories, you see. Suma, did you remember to lock the door? Oh yeah, I did. I remember your face, but I don't remember your name. Will you please tell me your name? Oh sure, ma'am. The second word is reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. Reach to, reach out, reach over, reach for, reach up, out of reach, within reach. Practice this course over and over again, and speaking English confidently will be within your reach. Can you read Jill? I called Jill. She's out of reach. Reach out to her again. Sure, I'll try after some time. Tina can't reach the book on the top shelf. Tina, take a stool and then stand on that. When did you reach home yesterday? I reached quite late. Yesterday it was raining heavily. I reached home very late, around 11 o'clock at night. The third word is road, R-O-A-D, road. Main road, road trip, road map, roadside, on the road, country road. This country road will take you to the main road towards the town. Samir is well on the road to becoming a general manager. There are lots of cars on the road. We parked by the side of the road and then we walked along the road. Jimmy looked right and then left before he crossed the road. Oh, where's the railway station? Will you please tell me? Just go straight. This road will take you to the railway station. Thank you so much. The last word is rule, R-U-L-E, rule, general rule, safety rules. Follow the rule, rule of law. Please follow the rules. Safety rules must be followed when on board the ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Some languages have many grammar rules, while some languages have few grammar rules. What are the rules of the game? The first rule is to always greet your opponent. We always have to obey the rules. Ken makes it a rule to get up early. So with these 4 words, we come to the end of this video. As usual, I'll only say practice with the words, keep repeating, keep listening, and surely you will be on the way to speaking English confidently. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.